Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today, well, just before I get into the car, just want to say, sorry for having the video up so late. I mean, my last examination was today, so I will be doing videos, hopefully every single day now. And, well, yeah, let's get into today's car. It is a Chrome, the GTR R33 in the latest mail unboxing, or mail fight. This one is a not for sale and in a blue box. So we can see here, Nissan GTR R33, and this probably says over here, gold chrome. This one, no idea at all, and for the back, pretty normal, 2010, and for the sides, just the same thing as the front. Bottom, just a warning label, and the top, just what the car is made of. And now, probably notice I wash my hands just for the review, because I don't want to dirty this perfect chrome car. So, yeah, pretty perfect. And yeah, anyway, let's just get into the car. So as you can see, it's really shiny. Trying not to show my face in the car. Okay, never mind. Probably saw my face right there. So yeah, that is the face reveal for this month. I may be going to Hong Kong in the first week of September, so do stay tuned. I'll update you with my trip, if I get to go or not. I will be doing vlogs if I go, so that was the face review. Hopefully you could see anything. But anyway, yeah, I may be going, and I will send you updates as, you know, I find out what's happening. So anyway, on with the car. As we can see, this one has no chrome base, sadly. But anyway, over here, everything is chrome for the, well, top, except for the tires, right here, which are still black plastic, and the interior, and the windscreen. So the windscreen is still your ABS plastic, and, well, transparent obviously, and inside still ABS in black. So I mean, they don't really want to do a chrome interior because that will look pretty weird, honestly. You do a chrome interior, but I guess it's been done before. And anyway, no rear light tampos, just complete chrome, and the number plate just chromed out. So basically, everything here is chrome gold. It's really cool. I mean, the front grille. Oh, I mean, the front headlights right here, these are actually plastic and not gold. So, I mean, pretty neat how they can, like, chrome plate a car. So, yeah, this is like, oh, job well done, because there aren't any defects on this one. Like, some other ones, like, you know, this guy right here with a huge defect on the roof. And, well, yeah. Anyway, let's just get into the review proper. Okay, so here we are, and, well, yeah, let's just start. So at the front over here, you can see some gold, well, you know, fog lights or whatsoever, and your front grille over here, which is pretty detailed, but, you know, still gold. Your front bumper all gold, including up to a bit on the base right here, which, you know, is still gold chrome. Surprisingly, the front rivet is gold chrome too, while the back is just silver. So since we're down here at the base, number 20, GTR R33 from 1995. So, this is one's made in Vietnam, but, you know, 1995. So, pretty weird because 1995 should be made in Japan, right? But, no, it's made in Vietnam. So, anyway, for this part over here, the air vents. It's not really air vents. Your bonnet right here, as I should say, you know, you're pretty nicely detailed. Especially in the gold chrome, where you can actually see all the light reflecting off it. Looks really cool. For the wheels, however, these are the racing style wheels with gold chrome to match the rest of the car. I mean, if they put silver chrome in there, I would just kill Tomica, so, because that would be pretty weird, to be honest, if they put silver chrome on a gold chrome car. So anyway, yes, the doors open, and yeah, so it's fully gold chrome on the outside, and the inside, yep, it's chrome too. Usually, I don't think they put chrome on the inside of the doors. Let me find another chrome car. Does this one have it? Let me check. Hang on. Let's have a look. Oh, this one's actually chrome on the inside too. So I was thinking that, you know, not all of the chrome cars have chrome on the inside of the doors, but yeah, I guess that's pretty neat, right? Because you're not expecting that subtle detail. So anyway, on to the back of the car here. You can see our, you know, spaces for your rear lights, but, you know, it's all chromed over. Number plate again, yep, chromed. And for the wing or spoiler right here, complete chrome gold. Is there any space between the spoiler and the body? Nope, there isn't. And yet we can kind of see there from the front, it's all really smoothly chromed. The roof is just one complete chrome piece right there. And this is just one, has to be one of my favorite chrome cars. I mean, just look at that reflection over there. That is really, really nice. Love to play with chrome cars now. I mean, that's really, really cool, and I guess hopefully they make more chrome cars in the future, because hard to express it well, but these are some of the best quality Tomicas ever made. I mean, of the newer series, and not really the black box, because those are of exceptional quality. Because, you know, it's 1970s stuff. So anyway, for this one, yeah, really, really neat. And, well, not much else to say about this car. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.